Back in action, we back in the action, boys. So this video, I'm gonna be honest with you right now, man. This is for the real boys out there, you know what I'm saying? The real men who really just like getting their blicky wet.
That's the new peak?
Yeah, I should have known not to use a retard calling call. Damn it! Get back in your Yu-Gi-Oh! Deck 6-9, I'll summon you later. Fuck. Now let's talk men for a second, man. Not in a gay way, in a boy-to-boy type of way, where we really consult what we need in life. Now it really only comes down to 3 things. Let me list them real quick. Number 1.
The new peak?
Fuck! Not a fucking piece, 6-9. I have not summoned you yet. We got a fucking battle later, buddy. I'm talking number 1 being a woman. In my case, Selena Gomez. And of course that is a given. Number 2 would be a fucking beer, which honestly we should use to crack 6-9 over his thick skull. Dude might need to wake up a little bit. I thought the assault that he had would help, but apparently not. However, I gotta give you props, man. Good job capturing the one they call Nicki Minaj. I get it. I dig it. Why go for Cardi? She's already taken. She got a baby in her goddamn belly. That's weird. We don't want that. But the thing might be out by now, which is even grosser. Vagina's probably all fucking ugh. Anyway, off topic already. The third thing we need as a man is something to go with our beer. Of course, we already got a bitch. The next thing we need is a fucking beer pong table. We gotta play with the bitch. The loser sucks dick. Hopefully you don't lose. Now, this all comes down to pretty much, as y'all can tell by the title of the video, we're talking about a supreme beer pong table today. Now, I always read my DMs from you guys. My Instagram's right here if you guys want to DM me. I don't always get back to you, but I try to. And a little while ago, I saw a lot of you guys tagging me in a picture like this. Oh, fucking lots of beer. Now, that picture really fucking intrigued me. It was some mock-up that somebody made of like something that Supreme should probably drop at one point in time. A fucking Supreme beer pong table. And of course, when I read my DMs, y'all were like, first off, name brand, you're retarded, go kill yourself, but also you should probably make this. And I thought, you know what, boys? This would be perfect for the series we call Making Something Dope Out of Cheap Items. Haven't named it yet, to be honest, but we'll think of something better. Next episode, how to get a cheap hooker. Doesn't go well. Anyway, we're gonna chalk this up as another one of those episodes, and of course y'all know the name brand fams real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. A really cool announcement. We're actually not going to be giving away a t-shirt in this video, but I actually bought 2 of the decals. One decal we're gonna be using this video. The next one I actually bought to give away to you guys if you guys want to make this yourself. So all you guys gotta do if you want the big Supreme decal we're gonna be using, leave a thumbs up down below, comment down below what you guys think about this custom. Also hit the notification bell, subscribe if you want to, and Instagram is a bonus, but I'll probably be looking for that, and if you follow the Instagram, you might win. Anyway, getting into it, man, the first thing you're gonna want for this video is obviously a beer pong table. Now, I already had one, so the whole cost for me to make this was $10. However, if you guys want to buy one, I searched on Amazon, and they have some really dope ones for really cheap. Also, actually, another thing you could use, your parents might have one of those big white tables that fold up that you bring to picnics that they probably fucked on a lot of times before you were born. Go into the garage, check if you have one of those, and if you do, steal it. After that, man, of course we need some fucking red spray paint. Now, I want you to take that spray paint can and spray that table all red. Or just call over a girl who's on a massive period and get her to squirt it all over the bitch. Jesus Christ. So I've actually already done that first step. My beer pong table that I had was full out black. I took about 2.5 cans of spray paint to get this right here. So as y'all can see, it's real easy. Just set it up in your backyard and start spraying away. We did a real clean job. So what we're gonna do next, as y'all can see, oh man, this thing's fucking sick. So this is a 6-footer. I wanna mention right now, I am gonna be giving one of these decals away that I already talked about. So I suggest if you guys win one of these to buy a 6-foot beer pong table. It'll fit best with the decal that we have right here. Next step's real fucking simple, man. We're gonna grab a beer and start chugging away and pray to the wheat gods up there that this shit goes fucking according to plan. I might be too drunk after this actually to film this video. Fuck. Also, only drink beer if you are of drinking age. I should mention that. Now we're gonna grab the decal, lay it on the table, and grab the measuring tape that all of us once in our life have used to measure our cock. And if your case is similar to mine, also has a little bit of tears on it. I hate the bad news there. Anyway, now I gotta take about 30 minutes to measure the bitch because I'm kind of stupid, so roll the B-roll. I should not have said that. No! Hi Selena, it's me again. Still have not been checking your Instagram, but I don't blame you. You probably have lots of people that are hitting you up, and if you go and watch all the rest of the videos, you're gonna be thoroughly impressed. So here's what we have today. Penis measuring with name brand. All right, let's go. Woo! Let's show her what we can do, boys. Oh, she's already ready. The thing is to clip around your balls so you get a little bit more length. There we go. I did it! That was just a funny little video I did the other day. It was faked, obviously. You don't measure the balls. We all know that because you don't need to if you got a slogger like me. Don't know how that keeps out of fuck! Time to get another editor! Frickin' moly, boys. There's a Supreme beer pong table, as y'all can see. It's really easy. I'm always trying to tell you guys, man, you can just make whatever the fuck you want for real cheap. For me, this costs $10. A lot of people might have a table that they can use. I had a bunch of spray paint, like I got spray paint cans all over this bitch in this garage right now. And yeah, it's just fucking cheap, man. So I want you guys to let me know what you thought about the beer pong table. If you guys want me to make anything else, I can do it. I think I want to make another dild soon of like another brand. I think that'd be fucking hilarious. Like maybe an off-white or something like that dild. I'm always working. Actually, we're gonna chalk this up with chilling with name brand. Go, chill with name brand. Go.
It's time for chilling with name brand.
Chilling with name brand. Uncut, I'm circumcised. This is where name brand just talks his name brand without yelling, and I just do me. And I'm having a cigarette right now. I'm down to one a day, which is good, boys. I only do one, and so don't worry about me too much. I'm really taking control of my life in that way, and it seems like I drink a lot. I'm not drinking too much. We're Gucci. Anyway, chilling with name brand. Uncut, uncircumcised. If you guys do not know how this works, this is where we get the video to 10 minutes, so I can have more ad revenue. I could talk to you guys longer, and whatever I say in this video stays. So if I say anything that, because it's uncut, if I say anything, I could go to jail. Also, oh man, I had some fucking crazy fucking shit going on. I still don't know if I could talk about it, but I thought I was gonna go to jail for a little bit for some shit. But I told you guys in a video recently that it's all been dropped. So we're Gucci on that end. Your boy's not going to jail anytime soon. I couldn't handle it in jail, man. I'll lose my fucking job too. Anyway, you guys let me know what you thought about that custom. We're actually gonna give away a t-shirt today. I thought we may as well because I think, yeah, we may as well. I think the same person that's gonna win the decal is gonna win the t-shirt because it's just easier for shipping. I can ship the decal for free that way. I could wrap it around the shirt. That's kind of what I was thinking. So if you guys want to win a t-shirt, all you guys got to do to let me know that you got it through this point to the video is, fuck, what do we want to talk about? Leave a comment, something about Selena Gomez. No cap locks, nothing. Just talk about Selena Gomez in any way, and I will pick one of you guys for that. Also, if you entered to win, yeah, do that. Selena Gomez. People that made it to this far will win both. That makes sense. Also, follow my Instagram. I've been inactive lately. I've been doing a lot of fucking cabining and shit like that. Like, we went with the boys for like a week, and then I went to my aunt and uncle's cottage in fucking bear country, man. I was actually looking for the fucking Bigfoot. I was looking for the fucking Sasquatch. I was fucked out of my mind most of the time. Oh man, let's get into some Bigfoot talk, man. So, also, I keep asking you guys, for chilling with name brand, just yeah, we'll do it at the end of videos because y'all know I'm into conspiracy theories, whether I believe them or not. I think they're super fucking dope. And, can you tell I smoked a little bit of fucking whatever the fuck? That's why I'm talking about this shit. But also, UFOs, fucking Bigfoot, we need to start bringing this shit into chilling with name brand because I feel like I can't do a full video of it. But yeah, I was out in the fucking wilderness. Now to get out to my aunt and uncle's cottage, right? It's like, you drive 3 hours. Now, I live in Canada. There's a lot of fucking open space, especially in Ontario where this is. And actually, you guys can think I'm stupid for this, but I'm a believer. A majority of Bigfoot sightings have been in Ontario, Canada. Also in like Portland, Oregon, stuff like that, but that's far away from me. So we drive fucking 3 hours to get to this one place, right? There are cabins in the middle of nowhere. There's no cabins around. The way to actually get out there is to quad a little bit. We hop on the quad, we quad down, and then we hit train tracks. Once you hit these train tracks, you walk 4 miles into the middle of nowhere. We got guns on our back because there's a lot of bears and cougars out there and wolves and shit. So it's just kind of like a safety procedure. If I saw Bigfoot, I wouldn't shoot it. Unless it attacked me, I'd probably shoot. No, I don't think I could. No, I'd shoot it. I'd fucking blow the brains out if it tried to attack me. Anyway, so you walk the motherfucker out into the middle of nowhere, and you get there, and they're literally the only thing around. There's nothing else out there. There's no people out there, nothing. So I feel like if I'm gonna go to some Sasquatch territory, Sasquatch country, this would be the place. So I got drunk the other day, had a little smoking session or whatever. I'm like, fuck it, man. I'll take the gun out, I'll go out to the woods. Once again, I took the gun off of the Bigfoot just because there's bears and shit. That shit's freaky. Actually, the bears are not what you need to worry about because they're black bears. You gotta worry about the cougars. Those motherfuckers, they'll stalk you forever. They'll jump down a tree and get you by the neck. They only go for like the neck and head and shit because they're cats, right? They can't afford to like get their feet injured or anything like that, or else they're dead. You know what I mean? They got to be able to run and shit like that, so they'll only stalk you and kill you when they know they can kill you and you're not gonna fight back. Anyway, that shit's freaky. Still going out there, man. Walking out, fucking rifle on my back, got a beer in my hand. Do not promote that. That is not good at all. Did not have a beer, actually. I don't think I did. No, I didn't. And I don't even think I was drinking before that, to be honest, because I definitely would not carry a gun. I wouldn't trust myself, and that's not good. Anyway, walking out, see some fucking big footprints, man. Freaked me out a little bit. Saw some like fucking shit on the side. I was like, holy fuck, man. This might be the fucking Bigfoot. Turns out I actually like took my flashlight out and it was like this big, so it was like bear paws, but which means there was a fucking bear in the area. But anyway, we're definitely at 10 minutes by now. I just wanted to say my experience. I didn't find the Bigfoot at that point, and I actually didn't bring my camera until I was out there, and I was like, man, the boys would probably like some Sasquatch hunting video. I did one a while back because I'm into this shit. I think it's fucking fun, but I didn't bring it. I'm trying to go out again this year. So, yeah, before the winter. So if you guys want to see I could go anywhere and we'll just go hunting for Bigfoot. I think that's the funniest shit, and I think it's entertaining. And who knows, man, we might come across probably not a Bigfoot, but maybe a bear that'll rip my head off. But hopefully I'll leave the camera and it'll probably destroy the camera, but the footage will still be in the camera. So we'll get some wild footage, whether I find a Bigfoot, a bear, or whatever. Anyway, man, I just started fucking going on. Appreciate y'all for watching. Name brand fams, Real Sean, marking the game the greatest of all time. You guys let me know. Did you like the table? I think it was dope. I think I'm definitely going to get some use out of it. Not going to put it in the Supreme room because it's not Supreme. It's not Supreme, or not real Supreme, bro. But we're going to get some use out of it. And I hope with whoever gets the decal will actually use it to maybe make a table or anything else like that. It's really easy to do. But anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. New video tomorrow. And then we're off to SneakerCon LA with cameraman Ian, which is going to be super sick. He's never gone to a place like that. He's actually out there right now. I'm going to meet him out on Friday. But that's the game plan. Appreciate y'all. Plow.